to my keyboarding guys and gals. Sunday here. It is. I'm looking at my computer. It's March 2nd. I'm just doing a quick video. This week we're gonna do sessions 14 through 16. Um, One important thing, very important that I want to touch with, is on Blackboard. Um, Next week, which is 312, um, we need to make sure that we have this mid-semester participation graded assignment due and turned in. Okay, so by 312, you folks need to have that in, and I'm gonna pull it up, and I want to be as transparent as possible here. So the way the colleges, Connecticut State schools and colleges work is I have to do that beginning participation grade, but mid semester I need something, and it's what I do is I ask you questions, um, and they're 5 questions, and be honest with me, it's not something that I honestly hand in, um, or get evaluated for. So if there's something that you think I could do better, I do try to be the best instructor that I could be, and that's part of my craft. That's part of me. And at the end, if you see something that you think I could do better, or be more available, or whatever you think, I honestly, genuinely, sincerely ask you to be truthful, because I try to give everybody, um, each individual, the best experience I can, and I think those of you that have met with me would know that. Um, so I ask you to fill this out. It is definitely something that you do have to do. It's one of those non-negotiables, because I have to say whether you fill it out or not. But at the end, if you want to say, Mr. Kelly or Mike, you were a little low level in this area, I'm all for it. Totally, I would take it. I would embrace it. Um, or this is what I liked about the class, or this is what was like a little medium level about the class. I do need you to fill this out. It's called the Mid-Semester Participation Graded Assignment. It's due on the 12th. I want to give you a little heads up on it ahead of time. I don't think there's no requirement to it. If you submit it, you gotta you need to submit this. And if you don't, I'm gonna have to contact you and say, I told you that you were supposed to do this. So that's kind of this week's little wrap up. But that is next week, so it's not due by the 5th. It is due by the 12th. But I wanted to start out with that. The 5th, we have session 14. We're learning the numeric keyboard, and then the comma and the decimal point. Hopefully, we get in a situation in our lives where we have a lot of numeric data before the these decimal points, in terms of monetary money. But that's what's due. Um, 3 timings. I take your best 3 timings. It's not going to make or break your grade. Um, if you're a little weak on the words per minute, I typically don't like go nutty with grading. If you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, I'm a pretty I'm a per. The best way I could explain it is I'm pretty understandable. If you're not the best keyboarder in the world, as long as you're putting in the work, you're going to do fine. But I could see when I go onto this program, the Cirrus 2.0, I could see when you logged in, how long you were logged in, what you did. I do see it all. So um, that's about it. Anybody that wants to meet with me or have a conversation with me, or you're a little foggy, or there's a gray area between what you think this course is, I'm a pretty transparent um, person. um, that that's one thing I could say I am. So that's about it. That's it. All right.